Tummy time is very important for babies. It helps them grow strong. It helps their muscles develop. Strong muscles help babies crawl and walk. Tummy time also helps babies avoid flat spots on their heads. Babies lie on their backs a lot. Tummy time gives their heads a break from lying down. During tummy time, babies learn about their bodies. They push up with their arms, they kick their legs. These movements help them grow stronger every day. Remember, tummy time is essential for your baby's development. It helps them build strength and coordination for all the exciting milestones ahead. You can start tummy time when your baby is very young. It's an essential part of their development and can be introduced as early as their first week of life. Tummy time helps strengthen your baby's neck, shoulder, and arm muscles, which are crucial for their motor skills. Even a few minutes a day can help. Initially, your baby might only tolerate a minute or two, but that's perfectly fine. The key is consistency and gradually increasing the duration as they grow stronger. Place your baby on their tummy on a soft, comfortable surface. A blanket or a playmat works well. Ensure the area is safe and free from any small objects that could pose a choking hazard. Watch your baby closely during tummy time. Supervision is crucial to ensure their safety and to provide comfort and encouragement. Your presence can make a big difference in how they respond to this new activity. Make sure they are breathing easily. If you notice any signs of discomfort or difficulty breathing, gently reposition them or take a break. Keep your face close to your babies. This not only reassures them, but also encourages bonding. Your baby loves to see your face and hear your voice. Talk to them and let them know you are there. Sing a song, tell a story, or simply chat with them. Your voice is soothing and can make tummy time more enjoyable. At first, your baby may not like tummy time. It's a new experience and can be challenging for them. They might cry or fuss. This is a normal reaction as they adjust to the new position and the effort it requires. That's okay, it's new for them. Comfort them with gentle words and touch. You can also try tummy time on your chest or lap if they seem particularly unsettled. Try tummy time for just a few minutes at a time. Short, frequent sessions are more effective than longer, infrequent ones. Aim for several short sessions throughout the day. Gradually increase the amount of time your baby spends on their tummy. As they get stronger and more accustomed to the position, you can extend each session by a minute or two. As they get used to it, they will start to enjoy it more and more. You'll notice them lifting their head higher, looking around, and even smiling. Tummy time can become a fun and engaging part of their daily routine. Tummy time doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun for your baby. Place toys within their reach. Use toys with bright colors and interesting textures. Get down on the floor with your baby. Make eye contact and smile. Sing songs, make funny faces, and talk to your baby. You can also use yourself as a prop. Lie down on your back and place your baby on your chest. This allows your baby to look at your face and interact with you. Remember, the key is to make tummy time enjoyable. When your baby is happy and engaged, they are more likely to tolerate and even look forward to tummy time. Tiny steps, big strides, the power of gradual progress. Every baby is different. Each one has their own unique timeline and way of learning new skills. It's important to remember that these small steps are the building blocks of their future abilities. Some babies take to tummy time right away, while others need a little more time. This is perfectly normal. Tummy time is essential for developing the muscles in their neck, shoulders, arms, and back, which are crucial for future milestones like crawling and walking. Be patient and go at your baby's pace. Each baby is on their own journey, and it's important to support them without rushing. Your encouragement and presence make a big difference. Start with short sessions of tummy time. Initially, your baby might only tolerate a minute or two, and that's okay. The key is to make it a positive experience. Even a minute or two is a good start. Gradually, as your baby becomes more comfortable, you can extend the duration. Use a timer to keep track and ensure you're not overdoing it. As your baby gets stronger, you can gradually increase the length of tummy time. You'll notice them lifting their head higher and for longer periods, which is a sign of growing strength and confidence. Don't worry if your baby doesn't seem to be making much progress at first. It's all part of the process. Some days will be better than others, and that's completely normal. Every little bit of tummy time helps. Even small movements like turning their head or pushing up slightly are significant achievements. These small victories add up over time. Celebrate your baby's successes, no matter how small they may seem. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in building their confidence and encouraging them to keep trying. Remember, patience and consistency are key when it comes to tummy time. Establishing a regular routine helps your baby know what to expect and makes the experience more enjoyable for both of you. With love and encouragement, your baby will master this important skill in their own time. Trust the process and enjoy these precious moments of growth and discovery together. Safety first. Creating a secure and comfortable environment. Always supervise your baby during tummy time. Never leave them unattended. Choose a safe surface for tummy time, such as a playmat or blanket on the floor. Make sure the surface is firm and flat. Avoid soft surfaces like couches or beds, as these can increase the risk of suffocation. Dress your baby in comfortable clothing that allows for free movement. Remove any toys or objects that could pose a choking hazard. By creating a safe and comfortable environment, you can help your baby enjoy tummy time and reap its many benefits without any worries. Patience and praise. Nurturing your baby's confidence. Tummy time can be challenging for babies. They are using their muscles in new ways. It's important to be patient and encouraging. When your baby is on their tummy, offer them words of encouragement. Let them know how proud you are of their efforts. Positive reinforcement can go a long way. When your baby lifts their head or pushes up with their arms, make a big deal out of it. Clap your hands, smile, and give them lots of praise. Remember, your baby looks to you for guidance and support. By creating a positive and encouraging environment, you can help them build confidence and master tummy time. Celebrating milestones. Every tiny push is a reason to cheer. Every little effort your baby makes is a step towards their growth and development. These moments, though they may seem small, are monumental in your baby's journey. Tummy time is a journey, not a race. It's a crucial part of your baby's development, helping to build the muscles in their neck, shoulders, arms, and back. This strength is essential for future milestones like crawling, sitting, and walking. Your baby will reach milestones at their own pace. Some may progress quickly, while others take their time. Both are perfectly normal. The key is to provide a supportive and encouraging environment. Celebrate every little victory along the way. Whether it's the first time they lift their head or the first time they roll over, these are significant achievements. Your positive reinforcement will boost their confidence and motivation. At first, your baby may only be able to lift their head for a few seconds. This is completely normal. Their muscles are still developing, and even this small effort is a big deal. As they get stronger, they will be able to lift their head higher and hold it up for longer periods. This progression shows their growing strength and coordination. It's a sign that their muscles are getting stronger and more capable. Eventually, your baby will start to push up with their arms and roll from their tummy to their back. These movements are not just milestones, they are also important for developing motor skills and spatial awareness. These are all exciting milestones that should be celebrated. Each one is a testament to your baby's hard work and determination. Your joy and pride will encourage them to keep trying and exploring. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace. It's important to be patient and understanding. Some babies may take longer to reach certain milestones, and that's okay. Each baby is unique and will grow in their own time. Don't compare your baby's progress to others. Every child is different, and comparing can lead to unnecessary stress and worry. Focus on your baby's individual journey and celebrate their unique achievements. Just focus on celebrating your little one's achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each smile, each push, each lift of the head is a reason to cheer. Your support and encouragement are the best gifts you can give your baby during this important time.